Hi, good morning students, and today in class 12 we are going to discuss some problem based on the dot product of the vectors and position vector, direction ratios and direction cosines. We had already taught you the dot product and properties of dot product, as you know A dot B is equals to mod of A mod of B cos theta, and A dot B is a real number. A dot B, that means dot product is commutative. So many results based on that we have already cleared. So today we are going to solve some problem based on the dot product and direction ratios and direction cosines of the vectors. So let us begin. So first thing is find the vectors. Find the vector. Find a vector of magnitude 5 units. Question is find a vector of magnitude. Find a vector of magnitude 5 units in the direction of the vector direction along the direction of the vector 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, so let us see. First we have given magnitude. If you multiply the unit vector with magnitude, then we get the direction vector in the direction of 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So let us see. First we find the unit vector. Suppose solution, let A is equals to 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Then A cap is nothing but vector of A upon mod of A. So A cap is vector A 2i cap 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap, okay, divided by mod of 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. So this is nothing but 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by square root of 4 plus 1 plus 4. This is 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by root of 9, and this means a cap is nothing but 1 upon 3 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. Okay, now the vector in the direction with magnitude 5 unit. So if let B is the vector, then this is nothing but 5 into A cap. So 5 by 3, this is 2i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap. This is the required vector. So please note it down. So I hope you completed this one. Now next one, find the magnitude and direction cosines of the vector. Question is find the magnitude and direction cosines of the vector. Find magnitude and direction cosines of vector given by 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. This is a very important question. That is most important thing. From the vector, you have to find the direction, cosines and magnitude. You know, supposed to be this vector is A, 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap. Then simply you find the magnitude. Magnitude is nothing but square root of 3 square plus 2 square plus 6 square. And this is nothing but 3 3 is 9 plus 4 plus 36. And this is to be 49 and this is 7 unit. So magnitude is nothing but 7 unit. This is easy. But what we find here? We need to find direction cosines. So whenever we need to find direction cosines, we find the unit vector along the given vector. Unit vector in the direction of the given vector, and component, scalar component of that vector is known as direction cosines. So first we find a cap. A cap is nothing but vector A upon mod of A. So vector A is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 6k cap and divided by mod of this, that means mod of A, this means 7. So this is nothing but 3 by 7 I cap, 2 by 7 j cap and plus 6 by 7 k cap. So the scalar component of this vector is nothing but 3 by 7, 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. So direction cosines are nothing but 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 2 by 7 and 6 by 7. These are the direction cosines. So I hope you understand. So please note it down, and then after we see next question. Okay, so I hope I have completed this one also. Now next one is, this is most important question. If a line makes, CBSE 2015, this question is asked in CBSE 2015 also outside Delhi. So see this question. If a line makes angle 90-60, if a line makes angle 90-60 and theta with the x, y and theta with x, y and z axis respectively, with x, y and z axis respectively, where theta is an acute angle, then find theta. Where theta is an acute angle, then find theta. Okay, see this question. This is asked in CBSE 2015 also. CBSE 2015. Okay, so see, in this particular question, we have to find, see, theta. Suppose alpha is 90 degree beta is 60 degree and gamma is theta, because so here alpha is 90 degree, beta is 60 degree and gamma is theta. So you know cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma, this is 1. This is the relation between the direction, cosines and angle. So alpha is cos square 90 cos square 60 plus cos square theta, this is 1. Cos square 90 is 0 plus cos square 60, this is cos 60, that means what is the value of cos 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by t, cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus cos square theta, this is equal to 1. So this is 1 by 4 plus cos square theta and this is equal to 1. So cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. Cos square theta is 3 by 4. So cos theta will be root 3 by 2. So cos theta is equal to cos pi by 6. So theta will be pi by 6. Okay. So this is the whole about today's class. So thank you very much.